Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. It's the 30th of October today, and we're going to be looking at Bitcoin trading against US dollar. I'm just catching up with the number one cryptocurrency. So it's kind of gone the way we were expecting it to after the last analysis, where we caught up with it just after I had this huge pump here. So looking about sort of over 2 weeks ago. Everyone at the time was saying it was going to be the start of a bullish reversal, and it just wasn't looking that way. We noted that the $6,800 mark was going to be a really strong level to overcome, and then if we weren't able to break through this, it was likely to continue bearish, and it did. And as you can see, it also sort of found support along the downtrending resistance level before, and these are typically considered as a throwback. And it was almost looking like it was going to push on bullish from here. We had this sort of strong candle on the 20th of October start to emerge, and it closed fairly high, but unfortunately throughout the rest of the week, the bears just took hold of the asset and has been able to drive it all the way down. It hit the $6,500 mark, and then we just had this big sell-off yesterday, where Bitcoin fell $150 and just crashed all the way down to this lower support of 6,350, and then today we're still down at around 2%. So the bullish momentum we saw a couple of weeks ago has really fizzled out, and we haven't. There's not been enough news really coming through for Bitcoin to really get people excited. There's just a lot of bears manipulating the market right now, crashing it down. It was able to find this sort of crossover support here between the downtrending now supporting line and this general uptrending line here, and it also coincided nicely with this sort of flat support here around $6,324. So it's kind of crossroads of support, and was able to catch that sort of big drop we had yesterday. And from here, we're kind of waiting to see what's going to happen. I think it's going to travel a bit sideways for now. On the MACD indicator, you can see that it's favoring a bearish decline. We've got an increase in bearish momentum showing up on the histogram. The 12 MA is below, the 26 MA were below the signal line. So, on the MACD, it's saying it's bearish. The RSI is showing that we've got a little bit of bullish momentum starting to pick up after this long drop in momentum before. So it's kind of showing that there's some sort of fight back. I think this is just logging the fact that we've found support now, and we're now starting to sort of recover a little bit. So there's nothing to get too excited about there. If we look at the Bollinger Bands as well, we can see that we're kind of oscillating in the lower part of the range right now. The lowest band is actually sort of meeting well along this lower support area of this particular region here at 6,240. So I think going forward, we're probably going to rely on this going sideways support at this $6,330 line here. So I think we'll just continue traveling sideways. We might even dip onto this 6,240 support, as we have done a few times in the past. But ideally, we'd like it to hold around here. If it does actually start to dip and hit this sort of secondary support region at $6,130, I think then we need to kind of worry. And it could unravel even further than that into our sort of danger zone, which is this sort of historical foundational support area at $6,000 and $5,800. So we really want it to stay on this top level support region here. And then if it does hit this secondary one, then we need to reevaluate and see, okay, is this actually going to continue really strongly bearish, or is this just a temporary market movement? So yeah, for sideways for now. It's looking okay. I mean, we may just oscillate between this lower support and then the $6,800 above until something big comes out. A lot of people are getting really they're sort of shilling Bitcoin and saying it's going to be really bullish. Fundstrat's Tommy Lee is really bullish right now. Ethereum's co-founder Joseph Lubin is coming out and saying that we're going to see this huge run up in 2019. I think there's a lot of people trying to whip up a bit of a bullish frenzy, but just people aren't interested right now. There's no sign to suggest that it's going to be really bullish anytime soon. It's likely to continue sideways until we receive some good news. A Bitcoin ETF is still to arrive, so we're all waiting for that. Low volatility still in the market. We're waiting for something to happen. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. Check out the full TA at CryptoVest.com. Please like and subscribe, and have a good one. Cheers.